From the heart of Nazareth, Beit AlManarah was born. A pioneering center built on a deep belief in the abilities of people of determination. Here, at Beit AlManarah, we create real opportunities. Within welcoming and thoughtfully prepared spaces, workshops are offered to develop personal skills, provide language learning, support integration into the job market, and strengthen self-empowerment. Biet AlManarah also features modern studios for voiceover recording and podcast production, a center for assistive technologies, a model apartment for independent living, a store for technical aids, and a training kitchen, along with supportive spaces for families and professionals. Every detail was created to give people of determination the skills, tools, and inspiration they need to move forward with confidence and hope. But Beit AlManarah is more than just a center for activities. It is a house of hope, a place that brings people together, people with challenges and others alike. It is a home that helps build a more equal society and drives meaningful social change within the Arab community and across society as a whole. Together, we believe. Together, we create. Together, we achieve. Beit AlManarah, because every human being has the right to light their own path.